Changing the spindle speed on a pill drill is sometimes necessary depending upon the material that you're cutting. This can be achieved by opening the top of the pill drill up, and you will see that there's 2 belts in most machines. You have 3 sets of driving wheels, and by adjusting which location the belts sit on the driving wheels allows you to change the speed of the drill itself. At the back we have the motor, an intermediary gear, and then the actual spindle drive itself. You also notice that in the back of the lid there is a guide to what spindle speeds can be achieved depending upon various belt positions. Now, in order to actually change the drill, I first need to relieve the tension on the belts. This can be done by releasing the screw that holds the motor in position. There is then a lever that can be used to pull the belt in and allow some slack on the belt. That allows you to take it off. Once you've taken the rear belt off, you can then adjust the first one to whatever spindle position you require, depending upon the guide at the back, and then you can reseat the belt in the correct position to adjust your spindle speed. The spindle speed that you use will depend upon the material that you're drilling with and the size of your drill, and there is spindle speed equations that are relevant to each material that you cut. Once the belts have been replaced, I'm then going to put the tension back on the motor using the handle and fasten the motor retaining bolt back up.